Oh wow, there's a snake. I thought we didn't have snakes here. Where are we going?
Let's go down.
This way? So this is a hidden waterfall in Loulé. Right, Logan?
Yes.
It's a hidden spot in the middle of the city. And we are gonna go check it out. Oh, I can see some clear water. Wow, look at that water. Oh look, there's a turtle.
A turtle.
There's a turtle right there. You see it?
Yeah.
Wow, you guys see the turtle? Wow, this water is absolutely clear. So we gotta cross this bridge. Let's get it done. So this is Storms. You go like this, like that, and bam. Okay, and now we're gonna go that way, but there's a lot of thorns. There's a lot of thorns. Look how clear this water is. Oh wow. This is literally in the middle of the city. Oh, it's a turtle. Oh, you guys see it? The turtle down there. I think it was eating this orange juice. There's a huge rock wall. Wow. Incredible. I saw something jump. I don't know what it was, but something just jumped. Wow. There's a bunch of turtles down there. And the water is so clear. Again, this is right in the middle of the city and it's a gorgeous waterfall. Oh wow, there's a snake. I thought we didn't have snakes here. Wow. I bet you that snake was trying to feed on those frogs. Wow. There's tons of those frogs. Wow, look at that beauty. Wow. Crazy. Crazy. Okay, I think it's time to go back. Hopefully we don't take a fall. That would be really unfortunate.